they can be divided into two groups. The first of them are primary hole nesters, that is, those that can cut a hollow on their own. The second is the secondary hole nesters, which use the hollows left by the primary hole nesters or inhabit those that were formed in a natural way, as defects in trunks or tree boughs. They also use nest boxes built by foresters. The most important primary hole nesters are mainly woodpeckers. There are 10 species in the Polish forests that are characterized by a similar lifestyle and food acquisition.